Okay, so here we are in the engine room. This is the generator. We discovered that the floor is rotten under the generator, so we have to hoist the entire generator out. To replace the floor down there that's rotten. I've got a rig set up here. Looks like it'll work pretty well. A little hoist on there. Just disconnecting things. I've got the other piece already epoxy coated and ready to paint. I'll put bottom paint on that before I put it in there. Got to put new motor mounts on the generator. And do some general maintenance cleaning down here before it goes back in.